Hey everybody, it's Nikolai from Global Seafoods North America. I'm going to present to you guys our Ahi Wasabi Poke today. Now, biggest thing to remember about poke is it does not come originally from Japan, it comes from Hawaii. There may be some Japanese ingredients, but it comes from Hawaii. So we're going to start off with thawing out our poke. First of all, it's going to come out as solid as a brick, so you want to throw that in your fridge. That's going to take some hours to thaw, but do not put it on your sink because that's how bacteria grows, okay? So after it's ready, you're going to take it right out of your fridge, and you're going to see it's going to be nice and thawed, and you want to keep it until it goes to room temperature. Once that's ready, you're going to put down your poke, put down your bowl, and you are going to cut your poke open. Your scissors, knife, and you're just going to pour that stuff right out into the bowl. You don't need to wash it, you don't need to clean it or anything like that. From there, you're going to take your poke sauce. You're going to open it up and you're just going to pour it right on top of your ahi. You're going to take a spoon, just mix it up and mix it until all that sauce and all the sesame seeds and all that stuff just gets all over your fish. Then boom, put down your bowl, and we're going to start shoveling some rice in there. We use sushi rice, it's the best stuff you can use. We use a Zojirushi cooker, so you can put that stuff in there many hours ahead of time, and it'll stay warm for you until you get home. From there, you're going to take your poke, just put it on top of your rice. Delicious. Put as much as you want on there. From there, we're going to put our toppings. We used some English cucumbers, which we took the skin off. As well as some sliced avocado. We're going to put our crab salad on there. We made a spicy crab salad at home. Put some pickled ginger right there, and sprinkle on a little bit of that chopped green onion. Add a little more. From here, we're going to put on some furikake. I like a lot of sesame seeds and seaweed nori on there, and we're going to put a little bit of sriracha. I like it a little bit spicy, just a tiny bit, just dollop. And we're going to try that out, see how it goes. And it's delicious. Hang loose, shaka. Don't forget, we also have lots of other types of poke and all the types of seafood at Global Seafoods.